When we're asking our authors to create content, there are times where we want to specify how much content an author can add. So for example, we have a photos field here, and I might want to say to our authors, I require at least 2 images, but no more than 5 images to be added to this particular field. So in this situation, we'd want to add an item count validation, a count of how many items within an array that can be added. So how do we go about adding that item count validation? Well, we need to edit the content type and set the validation on the photos field. And we can do that either going via the sidebar into content modeling and content types, or there's a quick shortcut where we can edit the content type from the context menu here. This will open up the blank content type for editing, and we need to look at the field that we want to edit, which was under images, and I'm going to select the photos field. And now if we go to validation, we can see an item count validation. Because this field has been set to allow multiple items to be selected, we now get an item count validation. So I'm going to choose one of the types. So here we've got between, so that's going to allow us to set a range. So we want at least 2 images in our gallery, but no more than 5. We could alternatively just set a minimum of 2 items. But for this example, I'm going to set a range between 2 and 5. I'm going to click on Save and then Publish. Let's take a look at that in the entry editor and see what it looks like. So I'm going to open up my variegated snake plant, head over to the image field and scroll down to the photos field. And now we can see that this field requires between 2 and 5 items to be added. It's currently got 2 items, so I can add more. So 3, 4, 5. And that's good because I've got 5 items added. But if I was to add a 6th, and then warned that I'm 1 item over. Again, if I remove the items and I go below the minimum of 2, I'm told that I need to add an item. So let's just find that plant again. And I'm going to add 1 more. And there we have 3 items added to this field in our entry. So that's setting item count validation on a field in a content type to restrict your authors to the amount of content that they can add to a field.